Good day everyone, my name is Stanislaw Aaron from Ordaneta campus. Here is a 10-minute lecture and today I will explain the compassion is how it is expressed through caring for other people and the environment. In the role of Commonwealth discernment in making Philippine society and the world a more compassionate place. First, compassion is more than simply feeling sorry for someone. In my own understanding, compassion means recognizing the suffering needs and struggles of other and being willing to do something to help. It is the ability to understand another person's feelings and respond with kindness, care, and concern. Compassion comes from the heart and shown through our action. It teaches us to be sensitive to the needs of other and encourage us to treat everyone with dignity and respect. Compassion is important because we all experience difficult difficulties in life. Sometimes people need understanding instead of judgment. A compassionate person listen, help, and support others without expecting anything in return. Compassion strengthens relationship and create a community where people feel beloved and accepted. Compassion. Compassion is not only shown toward people, it is also expressed through our care for the environment. The environment is our common home, and taking care of it is one way of showing concern for present and future generation. When we reduce waste, conserve water, recycle, plant trees trees and avoid practices that harm nature, we are showing compassion. We understand the environmental destruction affects many people, especially those who are poor and vulnerable. Therefore, protecting the environment is an act of love and responsibilities. For example, when communities participate in clean up drives, tree planting activities, or combines to our reduce plastic population, today are practicing compassion. They are not only thinking about themselves but also about the welfare of others and the future of the planet. Caring for nature means caring for humanity because our life depend on a healthy environment. Compassion. Compassion is also expressed in our with daily interaction with other. Simple simple acts such as listening to a friend, helping classmates, respecting difference, sharing with those in need, and being patient with other are example of compassion. During times of during times of disasters disasters during times of disasters, pandemics, and crises, we are often witness people helping in one another. This act reminds us that compassion has the power to bring hope and unity. Another important another important concept is communal discernment means making decision together by listening to one another, reflecting on what is good, and seeking what will benefit the community, instead of focusing only on personal interests. People work together to identify was people work together to identify ident, ah, people work together to identify what is right, just, and beneficial for everyone. Commonwealth discernment plays a significant role making Philippine society in the more compassionate through dialogue, cooperation, and participation. Communities can address social issues and respond to the needs of others. It encourages people to listen to different perspectives and to seek solutions that promote the common good. In the in the context of Philippines society, Commonwealth discernment can help school communities and organizations become more compassionate. When people discuss with when people discuss problems together and consider the needs of the poor, the, the marginalized, and the environment, they can create programs and action that truly serve others. It promotes unity, responsibilities, and solidarity among people. On a on a on a global on a on a global level, Commonwealth disbursement is also important because many challenges such as climate change, poverty, inequality, and conflict cannot be cannot be solved by individual alone. This issue cannot be solved by individuals alone individuals alone. This issue required conflict cannot be solved by individuals alone. This issue required cooperation among nation and communities. Through collective reflection and action, people can work together to create a more peaceful, just, and compassionate world. In conclusion, compassion is the ability to understand the suffering and needs of others and respond with kindness and action. It is, it is expressed through caring for people and protecting the environment. Compassion is not Compassion is not only a feeling but a commitment to promote the well-being of others. Meanwhile, Commonwealth Discernment help people make decisions together for the common good. By listening, cooperating, and acting with compassion, we can we can help make Philippine society and the entire world a better and more compassionate place.